What's up, YouTube? We back again with another banger. We got to be saving another life today with these clippers. I want y'all to stay tuned and pay close attention to how I get this done. Right here, we're going to be taking out Andy's Masters with the one guard fully open and just knock down all the bulk from the top. He's getting a wavelength, ball fade. While y'all here, make sure y'all go check out my Instagram at wehead_. I post a lot of cuts and I'm very active on Instagram. And make sure y'all hit the subscribe button right below this video and leave a like, comment, just show love. Right here, I'm spraying hair holding spray to do a rough draft of his hairline to know my boundaries on my fades and my guidelines. His hair tends to spike up and stick over the line, so I use my one guard and close it up a little bit just to knock down as much as I could. I've been cutting his hair for a minute, and I know that if you set a bald guideline in with some trimming, it's gonna be really hard to get out. So I'm just gonna take my wall seniors and close them all the way up and set in my first initial guideline and come back and bald out right under that later on in the fade. It's a technique that'll help you, you know what I'm saying, get consistent blends without trying to, struggle to get the bottom line out. Right here you can see me straightening his head up to see if the line is straight and to see if I made an even guideline across the head. I wouldn't have been able to see that as clearly as I am now without setting in a rough draft for the line. And as you can see, my fading points are almost tit for tat and I'm ready to fade. Now I'm just going in lever all the way open, going up about an inch. Keeping the corner towards the line just a little bit lower. Being a barber, you just gotta cope with these things and make the best out of them. We got the lever halfway closed. We about to nudge the bottom line all the way out because you know we already came in closed all the way and we just went up open. So in between that is clearly halfway closed, and that's how we just blend out that line easily. That's why I was saying that technique is really good. And then you can come back and close it up, you know what I'm saying, to make the blend pop more. Right here I'm slapping on my one guard, just going up about another inch, just flicking my wrist real slightly. It's just a slight wrist motion. We just removing all of that bulk and blending the hair into the top. As you can see, I'm about to close this lever up and attack that middle line that we created. Never expect for the clippers to give you the best blend possible on your first go around, because it won't. You have to switch clippers and do detail work. That's why everyone has 1 to 3 pairs of clippers, because you know, clippers do different things for different people. Y'all noticed that I switched clippers because, as I stated, his hair grows in a different direction towards the top of his head, you know, on the back side. So this clipper I was comfortable with at this time. And as you can see, I'm going in different directions, brushing in different directions, and switching my positions with the clippers, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm just debulking, trying to make sure everything is even. Now I got the lever open, going up a full inch. I close it all the way up and I'm attacking the bottom line. It's the same thing with the wall clippers, just a, you know what I'm saying, just another clipper. As you can see, the line isn't gone. We're gonna have to detail that out. The guards do not, you know, erase the line. They just set the guideline in, and that's where the barber come in and add his spice to it. Every barber has a different technique of getting the middle line out and detailing. As you can see, I'm detailing with my Andes Masters and, you know, using my longer blades and teeth to get into certain areas and blend. Now basically for the rest of the haircut, we just doing no guard work and using the corners of my Andes Masters to, you know, make the blend pop and erase all the weight lines and things like that, and focusing on the back of the head because that's where it's most difficult to blend it because of the directions of the hair. Right here we just balled it out. As I stated in the beginning, we're gonna use a different technique and ball that at the end to, you know, speed up the haircut, because dealing with the back of his head, it did take a little bit more time. So why create another problem when I could just eliminate one and focus, you know, on the task at hand? This is where we come back in and sharpen the line up, you know what I'm saying, getting hangover hairs. And I'm about to use clip over comb right here, just to get those spiky hairs that I was talking about. And as I can see, his hair is kind of, you know, it's not as thick and dark and, you know, full, so we're gonna have to add fibers to it. Of course he asked for them. I'm just not gonna give them to him if he doesn't ask for them. But as you can see, he's light in the front, so why not jazz my boy up? That's what barbers do. As I always say, it's a way to spray. The way to spray is to use the fibers to enhance your blend and match up with the darkness and density of your client's hair. Now I know it's a lot of you out there that are against barbers, but I was like that once myself. But once you start to learn how to apply them the right way, and once you see the happiness on your client's face and the confidence that it gives them, you won't mind, applying fibers and things like that. Because who doesn't want to look, the best that they can be? And as a barber, that's our job to give our clients the confidence boost that they're missing. Be there to talk to them and a whole lot of other stuff that that's not about to get into. Yeah, man, I see I changed my boy life. Quick 20 to 30 minute cut, giving my boy that confidence boost. We just about to clean up his facial hair and line his mustache up and give him the eyebrow slits, and that's it. Another tip is when you take off the cape and the neck strip, always clean up behind the neck and around the ears, because that shows that you're a neat barber and that gives your client the cleanest look possible. I can't stress this enough because I used to do it all the time and have everybody coming at me because I left some hair on the neck, but you know what I'm saying? Just stay on top of your game. Client came in looking like this. Client walked out looking like that. Respect the barbers because we do a whole lot of lifestyle. My Instagram is wheathead_, and if you have not subscribed, please swipe up right now and press the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified the next time I post a video. Also, don't forget to watch the other videos that are posted on my page as well.